How excited are you? How excited are you?
So excited!
Kelly, how excited are you?
Where are the green beans?
Yeah.
That? A hat.
Crazy funky chunky hat. Ever since hands lightly, trying to look like you.
Nightly, we've been there, we've done that. We
See right through your funky hat.
I didn't know she would.
What's up, vlog?
Yeah!
Okay, we're on the way to the beach as of 3 minutes ago. Marissa has her road trip hat on. Sarah doesn't have a hat on. I have a beach hat on, and Kelly has a hat on.
LA Dodgers. LA Dodgers.
So, I don't have anything else to say.
The answer's no.
She's still preoccupied with 1985. Ain't you crazy? If it ain't you, Sarah. But everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Driving down 85 and hot. Get it? Because we're driving down 85. For better, I've been made forever and ever. We out here in Alabama.
Sang it wrong.
You did.
They don't have water here.
Are you serious?
How do they not have water? We're
the
in
heck?
a water crisis. I just wanted some water.
And we don't even have any water.
Yeah, stick the Dr. Pepper though.
Okay, so we're at Burger King. We have 3 hours to go. Kelly, maybe?
Hello.
That's it.
Very excited.
Hey, I'm excited too.
For $3.
I would like to make a public service announcement that I just got 10 chicken nuggets for $1.49.
As a side to your fish sandwich.
Okay, so we've been in the car for like 2 hours and we've taken a lot of fi pictures, made a lot of fi jokes.
Y'all, we're
Is
only
that
like
it?
halfway there.
Yeah, we're halfway there. I'm about to show you the houses because they're pretty.
From now, we'll all be gone.
If you want to say good morning in Jew, it's broken
Okay,
toe.
cool.
Like you broke your toe.
What?
It's broken toe. I'm telling you. It
Shalom.
was so funny.
Broke a toe!
Dunkin' Donuts!
Broke a toe!
Oh my god. And we're getting donuts.
Kelly,
I
what's
don't
wrong?
know what I want yet.
And we still have an hour left. Woo-hoo. You got any green beans? I would like to publicly announce that this is my favorite person in the whole world. It's 5:46. It used to be 6:46, but then the time changed. We're an hour and a half away.
Oh my god, oh my god,
What?
oh my god, I think I got coffee down my shirt.
We're about an hour and a half away. We're getting some fi pictures, doing some fi life
By
things.
getting 5 pictures, Marissa
So
is
it's taking 5
beautiful
pictures.
Yeah!
London, London Bridge, wanna go down like London, London, London. Missy, the princess is here. Sierra.
I feel like Joe make a boy say hello because you know I'm rocking the beat. I don't know about the beginning season, they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm 5 for 2 and wanna dance with you and I'm sophisticated fun. Are you feeling me, darling? I'm dancing, darling. I'm number one.
You got me to say. How does it feel to be here?
Good after. It's Kiki approved because they have SpongeBob ice cream. Duh. Yes. Get it because we're at the governor and it's El Governor and it's playing a Spanish song. Feliz Navidad.
Excuse me, what? Hello, governor!
Here's a bottle of sparkling grape juice so the kids can join in the festivities.
Aw, so nice.
You're gonna be on the vlog.
So
I'm gonna
nice.
be on the blog.
Okay. Majestic? I think so.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Oh.
Okay.
Uh-huh. We're going to dinner.
Where'd you get this?
Where do we get this?
No.
I did.
It was from a website, but I just can't remember. It was one of those
Sweaters from a website.
Yeah, but
Shorts are from Goodwill. Hat is from Kelly. You know me, just wearing my own clothes. Ask Sarah what we're about to go eat.
I don't know.
Dinner.
Oh. Dinner.
Hi.
Yeah.
in the truck.
Adventures.
No, when we were little, we all
I do my
Best
hair.
trip ever. And we've only I can't help it. The restaurant's closed. The restaurant was closed.
We're going to
That's the restaurant. Nothing is open.
What if we walk up?
We walk into Subway because that's what you do on
Your vlogs are gonna kill me.
last minute.
I'm taking over Gracie's vlog for a second to show how embarrassed I am.
Oh my god.
She's over there. Oh, I wish she could flip the camera on these. She's over there. The guy is like asking her like what she wants on her Subway sandwich, and she's like, "You have really pretty eyes." And he's like, thanks." And she's like, "Yeah." And he's like, "So what do you want on your sandwich?" And she's like, "I just
really
could I just have
pretty
a cup of potato soup, please?"
What do you want on your sandwich? On a scale of 1 to 11, how curved
You're
did
so
I just
embarrassed.
get? Oh my god. Oh my god. A box.